well, you can't win them all, I guess. Some laps, you're just not quite in the frame to do the things you want to do. That's definitely the case right now, but praise the Lord, sun's out, it's gorgeous, I'm with good people, and we're having a great time, even if I'm not paddling well.